ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೌಮ್ಯ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ SDLC ಒಳಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್. Today we are going to discuss about the types of SDLC. That is, first type is waterfall model. This is the most basic and old model of the software development life cycle. And here the execution happens sequentially, that one step after the other. For example, whenever we take the requirements from the customers or any business analyst provides the requirement, then that is called as requirement collection. After requirement collection only, next step will be feasibility study. Next will be design. Next, coding will be done, and next will be testing, installation, and then maintenance. I have briefed you about what is requirement collection, feasibility study, design, coding and testing, installation and maintenance in my previous video. See, here all these steps are done or executed one after the other. Like whenever the customers or business analyst provides the requirements, then the requirement collection will be done. Then after that only feasibility study, whether the project is doable or not. Then only design will be made, whether blueprint of an application, like how the application will be looks like. Then after that only coding will be started by the developers, and next testing will be done by the test engineers. Then only after the application is stable, then only installation happen, and then only maintenance will be done. Hence it is called as, since sequential manner it is performing, hence it is called as waterfall model. Here in this waterfall model there are these. We go for waterfall model of SDLC, that is software development life cycle, only if there are life critical applications, like in medical field applications or machine critical applications, like for any equipments if we are going to make, and if there are small scale applications like financially any industry or any company is not financially good, then at that time also they can go for waterfall model, as it requires less amount to develop. And some disadvantages of waterfall model are, developers initially, when waterfall was, since it is a basic model, waterfall model, the developers only used to test the applications. And requirement changes are not allowed here. Requirement changes are not allowed. See, here requirement changes are not allowed because since it is a waterfall model, sequentially only it happens, then we cannot go back and perform any steps and again come back. So here requirement changes are not allowed, and there are no parallel deliverables because two teams are sitting together. And requirement review also not exist. Whatever customer and business analyst provides, that only they are sitting and checking and designing coding. So no requirement review doesn't exist. Requirement review does not exist. And accept the changes, requirement changes in waterfall model. In all the other models of SDLC, the requirement changes happens. This is all about waterfall model. If you like the content of my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.